Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Are you eager to witness the magical transformation of your images into captivating videos? Today, we are delving into the extraordinary realm of Pika Labs, an incredibly powerful platform that effortlessly turns your imagination into stunning videos with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, I won't be demonstrating how to create a Pika Labs account in this video. Instead, I recommend watching my tutorial titled How to Get Started with Pika Labs. There, you will find a step-by-step guide to kickstart your journey with Pika Labs. But before we embark on this creative journey, I kindly ask you to subscribe to our channel and ring the notification bell. This will help our channel grow and reach more individuals interested in transforming images into videos and exploring other AI platforms. Thank you for your support. Now, let's dive in. So here we are in Pika's Discord server. Pika Labs operates within the Discord ecosystem much like Midjourney. Let me give you a quick tour. On the left side, you will see announcements and updates. This is where you can find out about the latest features and improvements that Pika Labs has to offer. Right below that is the chat area where you can engage in spontaneous conversations, seek answers to your questions, or even connect with fellow creative minds. This lively community thrives on collaboration and the exchange of ideas. Now, let us move on to the most exciting part of Pika Labs, prompt generation. This is where you can choose a chat number to generate a prompt for different types of videos, such as text to video or images to video. Look at this text box here. This is where you can type a / and see your options: animate, create, Jiffy, and tenor. Since we are focusing on images to video in this video, click on animate. This will allow you to upload an image and provide detailed descriptions such as colors, settings, or any imaginative elements that you want to add to your video. Remember, the more specific and creative your prompt is, the better your video will be. Once you have uploaded and written your prompt carefully, press the enter key and wait for the magic to happen. You will see your image transform into a video right on your screen in real time. It is like watching your imagination come to life. Here is a pro tip. Since there are many other users generating prompts at the same time, you might need to scroll a bit to find your video. Don't worry, your video will be marked with a yellow line to indicate that it's yours. Plus, everything that you generate will be visible to everyone on the server, so you can show off your work and get feedback from others. And there you have it, your image is now a stunning video. Isn't it amazing how Pika Labs can make a simple image come alive with just less than a minute? You can also edit or regenerate your prompts if you want to try different variations or styles. The possibilities are endless. And let's not forget the social aspect. Pika Labs Discord server is more than just a creative hub. It is a thriving community. You can like and comment on others' generated images, sparking discussions and forming connections with fellow video creators who share your passion. It is an incredible way to collaborate and learn from one another. Once more, if you wish to generate additional image to video conversions, just follow the same steps I have demonstrated. It is really that straightforward. Simply input / animate, upload your image, provide a prompt, and hit enter. Allow it some time to process, and in no time, you will have another video. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I really appreciate you watching till the end. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. I hope this video has given you some valuable insights and tips, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.